Presenting a pre-owned 2003 Oldsmobile Silhouette. This 4-door van has a 6-cylinder, 3.4-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Oldsmobile has less than 84,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, CD player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, DVD player, leather seats, power door locks, OnStar, and power windows.